then what's next?
Inside. Turn it off for the city.
Yeah.
On for the generator.
Just wait.
The power for the generator. For generator power.
Generator, that one? Oh my God, it's good. Michael, just
It's
wait.
very, very simple. If the
Yeah.
disconnect for the generator,
Uh-huh.
you need it. Turn it off like this.
So, after we finish, so...
There's already electric came out.
Right now, it's all the house, the power for the generator. Okay? AC, everything.
So,
For the disconnect, you need it. Turn it off like this. Turn it on for the
okay.
Okay.
Go for the generator.
How to on turn off the generator? That kailangan ko ng let's add.
Switch. Turn it off for the switch. Disconnect. Okay. For all the time, you need to stay for here, okay? For the connection, for this connection, you need to turn it off like this. Okay. You see? For the turn it off, they turn it off.
How to turn off now?
3 to 5 minutes will turn off.
Okay.
Because if you turn it off for here, the generator is down.
Okay.
The gas,
Okay.
inside the down.